Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you an awesome bundle. It's a hybrid tablet PC, Windows 10 PC, with a keyboard included. So it's the ALLDOCUBE Knote 5, and it's a really nice one from ALLDOCUBE. I'm gonna unbox it and show you exactly what's inside and how it works. So the box, it's pretty large, there you go. And once you open it, you have the tablet wrapped in plastic. We'll remove the plastic now and we'll show you just briefly. Let me turn it on. It should be on in a second. Yeah, there you go. Let me slide open, sign in. There you go. Windows 10, the usual Windows 10 interface right here, the Home Edition, 64-bit, obviously. So that's it, with a back in metal, back gray, rounded edges all around, so it looks really slick. I'm going to put it to the side now here on top of the keyboard box and continue unboxing. There's this foam platform here, and then there's several cases inside, several boxes. So let's see what we have here. We have the power plug, I believe, inside this little box. Yep, there you go. So you can obviously keep the computer charged. And another box here, which should have some cables, I think, or instruction manual. Yes, it has a cable here, an OTG cable, USB 3 to micro to no to Type-C USB actually. Let me remove it, there you go. So that's useful to have, and also some paperwork, a quick guide, initiation quick guide for the computer, so you want to read that for sure. And that's it for the unboxing. It's all empty inside. Let me remove this and now show you the keyboard. This is very important because most computers, if not all that you see in the market today that are hybrids, like a tablet PC like this one, they usually do not include a keyboard. And keyboards are, generally speaking, they're pretty expensive. They can sometimes be almost like a third of the price of the computer itself, if you check that for other models. So to have this bundled is really good, and it's going to save you a lot of money. So unboxing the keyboard, and already I can see it looks really nice. So this is the keyboard that comes included. Let me remove this aside. It looks really nice, very sleek, with a mousepad here. All the keys that you need, very easy, just folds, very simple, has a metal inch here on the side, which serves pretty much so you can fold it and use it as so for support. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. Let me turn it to you, and there it goes. There's the magnetic connector here, obviously, at the bottom of the, well, let's call it the tablet, but it's also a computer. And it just connects like that. Seemingly, it's very easy. It's very simple. Look at that, and you can, you can actually change the angle so it goes flat or flatter, or go much straighter. So it's up to you really, and it looks amazing. Speaking about the computer itself and its specs, it's an 11.6-inch Full HD screen right here with a 2-megapixel front camera for your video calls, for your Skype, everything you need to do. Inside the CPU, it's an Intel Gemini Lake quad core at 2.4 gigahertz. Also inside 4 gigabytes of RAM. The battery is 4000 milliamps, so that's pretty good. It can last you for enough hours for you to do your work if you don't have it connected to the power. Also 128 gigabytes of storage, SSD storage. Pretty good, and you can actually increase that using an SD card up to another 128 gigs if you need. And obviously you can connect all sorts of external storage units, SSD, HDD, hybrid SDD with HDD, whatever you want really. But taking into consideration, this is a working computer first and foremost. It's not for gaming, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has a nice CPU, a nice GPU, but this is mostly for work, so you can carry it everywhere you need to go. You just fold it. It's so simple. Look at that. You just fold the keyboard, and it's super elegant. It's very lightweight, and that's what you want it to. If you're traveling, if you're going on a train, on an airplane, for school, obviously, if you're a student, this is really great, and it's so easy to use. So check the link below. It has all the details, all the remaining specs that you might want to know about it. Obviously the price is amazing, super competitive price here. And you know, like and subscribe and check GearBest. We have more products from ALLDOCUBE. They have a lot of amazing other gadgets and computers, so check that out. Thank you for watching.